Hello, welcome. My name is David Oisamuji. I'm here with you with another t-shirt design tutorial. Yes, I know it's a tough time for us all, but this t-shirt design is going to motivate you. Believe, keep going strong. Don't give up, believe, and we will make it through together. Yes, that's going to be the theme of today's t-shirt design. But before we get straight right to it, I just want to give a shout out like I do on every of my video. As long as YouTube uploads and updates this, I will always give a shout out. So I want to give a shout out to Lead Lyrics, Vincent, and Surport. I hope I get that correctly, but if I don't, let me know in the comments. If you wish to tell me the correct pronunciation, then let me know on Instagram. I love to make friends and I love to give a shout out to new subscribers. It shows you guys enjoy my video and I'm giving you guys a lot of quality. Yes, sorry for yesterday's video, the quality was kind of bad. We know the situation we are in right about now. I ordered a good mic, but it's taking a lot of time because of the situation we are in. So please pardon me for the meantime. Please, not because of the bad audio quality, you click off of the video and lose the chance of learning something great or showing me love by watching the video. Please just always watch the video to the end. Without that, we can't learn, we can't make money, and the aim is for me to be able to create designs for you can use and make money passively online. Situations like this, you need to make passive income, and this is why I had the motive to make this channel, to show you how to create t-shirt design. In fact, these designs can be put on mugs, on jotters, on duvets to create passive income for yourself. So if this is something you're interested in and you're just watching me for the first time, please check your subscribe. If it's written in red font, make sure you click on it. So it shows gray font, that is to show you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you click the bell notification. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right to this. So today's video is going to be a Canva t-shirt design video. This t-shirt design will be used on Match by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring to make passive income. Create financial freedom for yourself. It is super easy. You just need to put in the work in the beginning and let it work. So let's just open canva.com. We open canva.com. It's going to be a super short video. I don't plan on doing a 10-minute video today because I know you guys, yes, you guys minds are filled with other things, but I just want to use this design to motivate you all and make it fun in the process. So click on create design, custom. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. Click on create design. It's going to open on a new tab. Now when it's done, we just go to where it says upload. As you can see, it says upload. Just click on it once. Come to upload image or video. I'll go to download for this. It says what swag. This is it. I created this in What Swag. What Swag is a phrase design software. If you just want a quote design kind of thing, this is where you go to. You use What Swag. If you're on Android, if you're on iPhone, you use Typorama. Let me make that clear. If you're on Android, you use What Swag to get this kind of design concept, because that was where I designed from start to finish. I got the image from What Swag, the text was from What Swag, and I'm using an Android phone, so that's where I got it from. But if you're on iPhone, then you need to use Typorama. Yes, it has I think a subscription package just to give you access to more fonts, but for me I use the free one. I just use most of the fonts there. They are enough for me. I don't need to go excess on that. So now we have that design. I'll go back again to upload and just bring in our last element. Let me just find the last element. Stay with me, please don't click off. It's going to be a super fast and easy design. Sorry that I'm not talking. I just want you guys to follow me, please, and follow me along as I scroll through to find it. Yes, this is it. So just click on it, open. It should open there. So now that that is loading, we'll come over here and click on this. As you can see, this is the design. So we'll over our mouse to this edge and we click on our alter, or sorry, on the right mouse key button, and just drag outwards to increase a bit. So as you can see, we've increased it a bit, and it says we will scale through this time together. If you believe, like this video, and let me know your thoughts on the current situation. Are you fearing? Are you coping? Hope you're fine. How is family doing? Just let's discuss in the comment section. Just let me know how you're doing. Let me know how you're doing. We'll make it through together. This channel will be here. You will be here. You make it. We'll make money together. We're going to live good together. So I'll click on this, and I'll just drag it to this edge, and I'll just, try to position this. I'll just drag it out. Yes, I think I like it this way. So you can see the design is just a very simple design. It says caution, caution, caution. We will scale through this time together. If you believe, just let me know in the comment. Like this video if you believe. So now let's just go. We'll just click on save. Just click on download. So now you can see it's downloading here. So now just click on this. We are done with stage 1, so we're moving on to stage 2. Stage 2 is to make sure we remove the white background, because you don't want your design to have the white background. So this is stage 2 of this design. Please, if you are still following me, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Despite the situation, you guys want to learn and want to make passive income for yourself. I really appreciate that. That's a good sign. So let's keep watching. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you do that. Please make sure you do that. You get a shout out from me. I will make friends. Win-win. I want to meet you. As long as you guys, for all you guys have chatted me up on Instagram, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I love to make friends. I really love to make friends. So if you want to send me a DM on Instagram, feel free. You see my handle, you just feel free, just send me a DM. I'll reply you. I want to make friends. So let's just open this in Photoshop. Open this in Photoshop. So open this in Photoshop. As soon as it's done opening, all we have to do now is to go over to this folded layer. Just click on it where it says create a new design. I will click on layer 0. Over to this magic stick. It's the magic word tool. You just click on it once. Click on it, then you just click on the white. As you can see, once we are done clicking on the white, we just press delete on our keyboard. Just delete that, and now we are left with just our design. And now we can save that. We'll save as, go to pictures, and I'm going to title this make it together. We'll definitely make it together. Have no fear, have no worries. The time will come and pass, and we'll still be alive to celebrate together. So now we're going to save it as PNG, because we don't want the white background in this design. So let's save it as PNG. Click on save, press OK. And now once we're done saving, we move on to the third stage. My design process always have a 4-stage process. So now we are done with the first stage, which is the design process, putting a design. If you want to know how I came about this design, how I use what swag, just let me know in the comments. I'll make a separate video on how to use what swag, and I'll upload it so that you guys can have it and watch through, so that you guys don't know how to do things yourself, and you can make so many designs with it. Designs with just phrases alone sell a lot. They sell a whole lot, so it's not a big deal. I will teach you the process. If you want to learn the process, just let me know in the comment, and I'll put that under my schedule. maybe that will be my weekend routine videos. That I'm still planning that. So all your questions, all your concerns, just let me know, and maybe I'll create if Saturday, Sunday videos concerning that alone, and during the week I'll just make t-shirt designs. Just let me know in the comment if it's a good idea. Just let me know and I'll do that. So now let's move on to stage 3. We go to pictures, and this is the process we'll put it on mockups. So if you've been on my channel, if you are just joining me for the first time, at the beginning I showed you my videos. You'd have noticed I use this particular mockup. It's my best mockup. I always use this. I love it. I love this mockup, so I always use it. So now we'll just go and bring in our design that we just did. Come to pictures, just make it. So this is it. We just click on it once, then we'll drag and put it into this layer. Put it into this layer. As you can see, it's quite big. So we'll reduce that. So we'll just press down 3 buttons, our Alt key button, Shift key button, and our left mouse click button, and we'll drag our mouse inwards to reduce. Just drag our mouse inwards to reduce. Then we'll press enter. And when we're done pressing enter, we'll go to file and save that. We'll just save it. And when we're done saving, we'll go back to our shirt. As you can see, it's on our shirt. It's on our shirt already. It's on our shirt. We'll make it together. It's a simple, logical shirt, nothing too extreme, good design. And now we can go over and just change the colors. Just change the colors. You can see we just change the colors, and we just save it. As you can see, it's a super easy design, not complicated, not a complicated design. But I want to do one thing. I'll click on my Ctrl T on my keyboard and just try to turn this a bit so that it shows in this format. Okay, I'll press enter. So now you see it. It's super cool. So we'll just go to save as pictures, and go to make it. Make it together. So now we just saved it as PNG, and now we can take these designs, find motivational pages, find health pages, because this situation is about health. So you find health pages and just bargain price with them. You guys make some price list out for yourself and promote the design. I would advise you not to copy my design exactly. You might just change the colors. You might just make something similar. It does not necessarily have to be like mine. Just make something similar and promote it, because what I'm saying, you make something similar, you can't use my design. I show you all my designs. I'm not like other designers. I don't know why they do it, but if I don't make money from it, fine. But as long as I teach you and you get knowledge from it, I'm fine with it. But these are my designs, and these are my designs you will see on my stores. These are my designs you see on my stores. So if you want to support me, fine, you buy it. If you want to check out my store to see design concepts, you find it. But every video you see on my YouTube page is just the way it is in my designs. So that's just it. So to your right, you see my playlist. If you've enjoyed this one and you want to watch more, just make sure you click to those playlists, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay safe, keep your family together, self-isolate, social distance, and we'll all be fine. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely time.